Multiply 6.6 by 5.7 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 7. 7 times 6 is 42. Put 2 in this column and carry 4. 7 times 6 plus the carried 4 is 46. The first partial product is 462. Now use the next digit to the left, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 6 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 6 plus the carried 3 is 33. The second partial product is 3,300. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 3 is 7. In the thousands column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 3,762. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 3,762 becomes 37.62. So 6.6 times 5.7 is 37.62.